Hello girls and boys and non-binaries. Today we're getting fancy with a beautiful French fraisier, vegan of course. It's a bit of a process to make, but the end result is so rewarding. Make the genoise-ish cake. Cream the vegan butter and sugar together for about 5 minutes. Stream in the vegan yogurt and non-dairy milk on low speed. It will look a little split, and that's okay. Add the baking powder and flour right after the liquids on low speed. Gently mix until the flour is almost completely incorporated. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Allow the cake to cool completely before taking it out of the tin, as it's fragile. Cut in half and trim the sides by about a 1/4 inch, and store in the freezer until ready to assemble. Next, make the creme mousseline. The first part of this is the pastry cream. For this, you'll blend together the silken tofu and half of the sugar. Take the pot to the stove on medium-low heat, whisking occasionally to prevent burning the bottom. When the mixture begins to bubble slightly, take it off heat and mix in the other half of the sugar and the cornstarch. Return the pot to medium-low heat for a few more minutes. While you wait for the pastry cream to cool, cut about 12 strawberries. Take off the stem, cut it in half, then lightly hold the stem or simply cut off the bottom ever so slightly. Dice the rest of the strawberries, but save a few just in case. When the pastry cream is cool enough, cream the butter for about 5 minutes. It's important that both of these ingredients are room temperature and not too hot or cold. Turn down the speed to medium-low and slowly add the pastry cream spoonful by spoonful. The mixture should look homogeneous by the last spoonful. If it splits, one of the ingredients must have been too cold. If the creme looks right, whisk it on medium-high speed for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now that everything is ready, it's time to assemble. Take an 8-inch springform pan and line it with some kind of wrap. Place one of the cake halves from the freezer and place it in the middle of the pan. Line the edges with the halved strawberries, with the cut side facing out. Make sure to really pack them in to form a sealed edge. If you'd like, you can brush some simple syrup onto the cake. Then, pour about 3/4 of the creme mousseline onto the cake and spread it to the edges as much as possible. Add the diced strawberries to the center. For the next layer, place the other half of the cake on top and press it down slightly. Pour the rest of the creme on top and smooth it out as much as possible. Place in the fridge, not the freezer, for about 6 to 8 hours maximum. Once the creme has set, boil down some strawberry jam, sieve it, and spread it as the top layer of the fraisier. Try to spread it evenly and to the edges of the cake. Let the jam set for another hour. Gently unmold your fraisier and peel off the wrap. Decorate it however you like. I simply placed more strawberries on top. Isn't it pretty? And super yummy, approved by my French mother. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more vegan baking tutorials.